Hi everybody, welcome and welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and we're just going to make some deliciousness, some chicken salad, my husband's favorite snack. I remember one time he was going away, where was he going to? I think Jordan. And he said, when I come back, I want you to make some of that chicken salad. I'm thinking, you don't want a steak, a lobster dinner, nothing? He said, just make the chicken salad, please, for when I come home. And I was like, okay. So then I decided to share with you guys today the recipe, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing that I use in mine is boiled eggs. I'm going to use 4. And then I have a 12.5 ounce can of white breast chicken meat. Now, what I'll do is just kind of dump that in there. And then I will take an egg masher and make sure after your eggs have been peeled that they are all the way dry. Don't have them wet at all. Okay, because then it'll make like a liquidy chicken salad instead of more of a hearty or thicker chicken salad. And now that's been minced. And now we're gonna get to dumping some other ingredients in there. Now we're going to add to it, y'all know I love Duke's mayo. So we're gonna add some Duke's mayo, but you could use your preference. We're going to use a whole tablespoon and a half, heaping tablespoon. So that is a nice amount. Keep it on reserve because we're probably gonna want more. We want some onion powder. A teaspoon. We want a half a teaspoon of garlic salt. We want, let's keep it up with our seasonings. A little bit of white pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. We want some celery salt, not a lot, but we do want some in there. About, we're gonna say 1/4 teaspoon. We're gonna do a half a teaspoon of ground mustard, approximately. Let's see here. We're going to add in some black pepper, a half a teaspoon, a little over half, 3/4 teaspoon. And we're going to use a little bit of salty, 3/4 teaspoon. Then we'll add about a teaspoon of sugar in there. Then we're going to add about a, let's see how much we're going to do, of sweet pickle relish. 2 teaspoons of it, so, no, 2.5. There. 2.5 teaspoons of pickle relish. And then we're going to go in and begin mixing it up and see how well we like it. And we'll just take what's left on there and scrape that in. And while you're mixing it, you want to be breaking it down. I can already tell you it's not enough mayo, I don't believe. But we'll know sooner than later if it is. Now I can see this is not creamy enough, so we're going to go back in with some more mayo, because here's where we're at right now. Looks a little too stiff. We're going to add another heaping teaspoon into that. Make it heap. So now we're going to give her a taste test to see and make sure that we're not missing anything. If anything, I would say, just guessing, it may need a little bit more salt and maybe a little more sugar. But I think it probably is right. I have not tasted it, but let's see. A little bit more sugar. About a cool 3/4 teaspoon of sugar in there. No, so anyway, then you just want to refrigerate it for about an hour. If you're in a hurry, put it in the freezer for 30 minutes and serve with crackers or serve it on a sandwich. And so all we like to do, now that we know it's set, bam, good to go, you're going to top it off with some paprika. Yep. And then you're going to top it with some lemon pepper. This is something that I don't want you guys to omit, the lemon pepper. Because it do something, even for deviled eggs and potato salad, this kind of creamy stuff like that, it really do something for it. But there you go. That's the final. That is the outcome. And it is good and it is ready to be served. Okay, y'all. So my husband, he likes his on a sandwich. So that's exactly what we're going to do. And no, I didn't get time to really cool it because he want his sandwich. And he said, I want my sandwich. So anyway, I got him sandwich right there. And he ain't going to bite it for you because he's busy. But I'll just show you guys how it kind of, That's so good. If you don't like eggs, you can take the eggs out, okay? Gosh, but make sure y'all keep the lemon pepper because that's the over-the-top ingredient. That was yummy. That was super good. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. God bless.